doing?
I'm good, bro.
You get a demo or you pull off? All right.
Finally get to get on the Jacob Viral video.
That's right, yes, sir.
All right. Let's find something good.
All right, you want to give me an intro while you look for music?
Okay. What you need to know?
Everything, equipment, tuning, specs.
Equipment. I've got two SoundQubed HDC 3.118s with PSI Recones. Orion XTR 2500 1 amp.
Okay.
Everything else is factory.
Really?
Factory mids and highs.
Okay.
Running 80 PRS.
Well, what is this?
That's blonde wood.
Well, I've never seen
It's
that.
like, it's like the birch. It's like birch.
It's like birch.
Yeah. Not as dense as birch.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't like that song.
PSI. What's the tuning and how much box space?
I'm running probably 12 cubes. I'm tuned at like 42. I'm peaking right now at 49.
49. Okay. Oh wow.
I'll throw some sandbags in the back of it.
Oh yeah, I understand.
I'll raise that up.
Yeah.
It did peak at 46.
Okay. And have you metered it?
Yeah. Today was 49.1, but I'm usually running a 50.4.
Okay. Awesome.
It's
50's
pretty
nice.
consistent. I'm a
Yeah.
50 now.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Paul?
Paul. All right.
Rooster. I go by Rooster. Team OSC.
Rooster. Okay. All right.
Team OSC, baby.
OFC. And you built this?
We'll be a sundown too, yes.
Okay.
Me and a
Sweet.
buddy of mine. I've never built any kind of box.
So it was a fun project, I'm sure.
Oh, it was, yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 And I might pay somebody next time.
Oh yeah. I understand. All right, I'm ready. Sure, man.
All right, we gotta find something. I know what you want. I want some soft Morrison. Yeah.
Dope chick from afar, caught her looking at a butt. Dope chick from afar.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you said it peaked. How high did it peak at?
It's 49 now.
49. Okay. Yeah.
Pull them sandbags out, it'll be back down to 46.
Yeah.
So,
But you meter a little louder when you peak higher, right? Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Well, thanks for the demo, man.
just needs more power.
That's right. Yeah. What vehicle?
The Avalon, 2007 Avalon.
2007. All right. So you said if you get more power, what's your goals out of it? You
I'm
know?
gonna try to do a 55.
55s? It's probably possible.
I'm gonna do a
Yeah.
55. I'm gonna go up an M3 next year.
Yeah, really?
Put a little
Okay.
more power to it.
Okay. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.